On guys, next continue for the second topic, current and voltage distributions for the antenna wave propagations. So current and voltage distributions, there are mainly block diagrams in current and voltage distributions in see that first one, these current and voltage distributions mainly two moving field, two magnetic field. Okay, one is the moving electrical field creating magnetic field. Next one is the electrical field. So electrical field means E and magnetic field is H. Okay, those are then how to loop or continue for the current loop or voltage loop. Okay, then how to distributions in the current and voltage, see the block diagram. So first one, see that this is a positive and negative generator. Okay, positive to negative generator have the half wave generator. Half wave generator means totally length of the generator lambda by 2. Okay, lambda by 2, half is the lambda by 4, half is the lambda by 4. These are antenna, half wave antennas. Okay, next distribution of the directions. Okay, any electronic device to electron through pass only one way direction, that is a positive to negative. Okay, current distributions curve positive and negative. Okay, that is the current and voltage distribution. See that. Next one, current distributions block diagram, charge charge distribution means positive negative. Okay, negative to positive, positive to negative is uppercase, positive is uppercase, negative is the lower case. Okay, that is the electrons through pass only one way directions. See that this space those two field will be in the space of the perpendicular to each other the given movement. Okay, that means perpendicular is positive to negative movings. Okay, that is the current and voltage distribution. Next, go for parameters. Okay, antenna parameters is mainly this block diagram. See the schematic diagram of the basic parameters. First one, field parameters and polarization parameters and power antennas and beam array and directivities and gain, effective apertures, operators and rate across the sections. Okay, current quantities, antenna impedance, radiation resistance or and antenna temperature T. Okay, next, physical quantities, size, width, current distributions and antenna transactions. Okay, these are main parameters. These parameters, then how to calculations, some area and gain, effective operators and a reader across the sections and field parameters. Okay, entire total antenna parameters and calculations are, see that. So isotropic radiator, directional antennas and radiation patterns, each and everything. So guys, see that uh, half wave and full wave parameters. So see that first one block diagram in a radiation patterns. It's totally 360 degrees antennas. 360 degrees antenna is 0 to 180, 135, 90 degrees, 45 degrees, 270 degrees, 235 degrees, 215 degrees. Okay, these parameters antenna is totally 90 degrees. Okay, 90 degrees and 45 degrees and 135 degrees. These nearly 180 degrees, nearly 180 degrees across the 180 degrees. Check, see that theta to minus 20, minus 40, that is the dB. Okay, that is the dB. This is a back loop, major loop and hp hpbw. Hpbw means half power bandwidth. Okay, half power bandwidth. Next, FNBW, front null beam width. First null beam width. Okay, that is a half and full. So see that guys, these antennas maximum radiation intensity 0 degrees. Okay, 0, half and pi by 2, pi x axis and y axis. So these x-axis and y-axis is totally depending upon minimum range to maximum range. Okay, minimum range is 0 degrees, maximum range is theta. Okay, that is the radiation of the antennas. Okay, voice radiation patterns. So see that radiation patterns, entire radiation pattern is three axes, x and y and z axis. Okay, this x and y z axis is a azimuthal plane. First one major loop, elevation plane, minor loop. Okay, that is each and everything r sine theta d phi. Okay, these are the angular of the x y z axis. Okay, this antenna analysis. See that these antenna analysis of the main normalized field pattern e theta of theta comma pi entire n, that means number of parameters. Okay, e naught e theta comma pi by e theta comma pi max, that means minimum to maximum values, minimum to maximum, that is a linear side or linear scale values. Okay, that is the antenna parameters. Let us I can explain to after the lockdown how to uh, full flex explanations. See that guys, power and field. So this is the 40 degrees antennas. So these are the patterns of the antennas means then signals you can generate the some seconds, second side level, first side level. Okay, that is a minus 30 dB and 9 dB, totally 180 degrees backbound. So next go next principles of patterns. These principles of the patterns enter depending upon e plane, e plane or h plane. Okay, e plane or h plane. This is also depending upon x y z axis, x y z axis. This x y z axis, guys, see that this is a e plane, e field operators distributions. Next, this is a h field operator distributions. This is the x y z axis antennas. This x y z axis antenna, e plane, h plane, e field, h field. Okay, these principles of the antennas we have to working. So then communication between. So first one, this is the transmitting section, this is a receiving section. These receiving sections we have to distribute in some width is the increased of antennas. So next go for radiation patterns. These omnidirectional antennas, these omnidirectional antennas is main time radiation r on z axis and x axis radiation r, theta is a t. Okay, this is the h plane and e plane. Okay, this is the omnidirectional antennas. Next, radiation, this antenna is totally depending upon e plane and h plane and x and y and z axis. Okay, next topic we have continued to next class.